Hey, I'm back doing a structural assessment. Row houses tend to have a common problem, which is the joists sag over time, especially 100-year-old, and you get this sort of low point in the basement where the joists sag. So right down the middle of the house, you get, um, you know, some floor irregularity. What they've done here is pretty amazing. They have come through and added a beam with 1,000,000 columns running straight down the middle of the basement to support the floor better. Now, in principle, this is a nice way to address it. Um, any home inspector will tell you that these columns here aren't really meant for permanent use. This is doing the job. I have no problem with it. All it is making the floors more level. But these columns, it is all posted all over them. Maybe not here, but whenever you buy them, that they're not for permanent use. And the reason is that they're kind of thin gauge steel. They're more like temporary jacks. But it's doing is taking the belly out of the floor. I got no problem with it. But strictly speaking, I guess you could say that it's wrong.